Very snowy day here. We've got a ton of snow on the ground, and about a couple weeks ago I ordered from Botanical Interest. I hadn't ordered from them before and I was kind of interested. Basically what I did is I went through their whole catalog and I just found some seeds and plants that I'm really interested in doing next year. So I thought I'd share some thoughts and unbox what I got and show you kind of what's going on and, you know, just kind of go through what my thinking is. So here we go. Starting 2026. Right away, they got a 10% off. Got my picking ticket. I ordered a lot of seeds, you guys. So I got to thank you. Some lettuce mesclun, so that I can probably do now. Oh, this is cool. Oh yeah, because I ordered so many, I got a little bag. I love how they do the art. My favorite thing about Botanical Interest so far is the way that they do the art on the seed packets. Okay, I don't know if we want to go through them all, but we're going to. Hey, we're doing this. This is the seed starting guide they give you. Here are my seeds. I'm addicted to seeds. I'm so addicted to seeds. It's ridiculous. I love nothing more than buying seeds. So I got a bunch of herbs. So a lot of these I'm gonna start in my round 2, and then some will be in round 3. I'll probably do, I think last year I did 6 rounds of seeds throughout the season. Seeds starting downstairs in the basement, and then I bring them up. I got some arugula rocket. And then I got lettuce mesclun gourmet baby greens. And then some arugula rocket baby greens. I got some lemon balm. I love to make tea out of lemon balm, so I needed some new lemon balm. Some common oregano. I ran out of oregano of the packs that I have, so I'm gonna try that. I wanna do some container oregano. One of my overall goals is to do, I wanna have like a tower in the greenhouse that just has herbs. So just like my main herbs. This baby blue eucalyptus I thought was really cool. I saw this tetra dill. Love having dill. Dill is a great pollinator plant. I've got a bunch of chaos dill throughout the garden that I love and really nice to have. Ooh, this other eucalyptus, this one's called Silver Drop, a butterhead lettuce that I want to try in the greenhouse. Love having different kinds of lettuce. Always love that. This silver dust, I've bought it before. It's a really cool plant. So this is lambada, bee balm lambada. The lovely petals are edible with a lemon mint oregano flavor. And this one is a perennial. It's Monarda SP. So this is bee balm lambada. So I hadn't seen this before. It looks kind of like Monarda citriodora, to be honest with you. Gourd, this is a hard shell Corsican gourd. I thought it was really cool that like if you could make bowls out of it. Of course, they got one of my favorite milkweed, showy milkweed. I love showy milkweed. It's incredible. And so, okay, so I'm gonna go through my root veggies. So this rat's tail radish. So some of you might have watched the video where I talk about radish pods. And so this radish is made for pods. So, it's grown for the seed pods, which I thought is pretty incredible. I love radish pods. They're one of my favorite snacks in spring and summer and whenever you can get them. And then I got this carrot carnival blend. I needed more carrots. I still got some black nebula carrots. And then this radish, this is a round black Spanish radish. Thought was pretty cool. Love radishes. And then only tomato I got. This is a tomato bush called cream sausage. And then I got this Market More cucumber. I've been trying to find a cucumber that I really love, that I can just do a lot of, that can be a pickler, that can, you know, be a snacker. So that might be that one. And then let me go through. These onions look amazing, by the way. So this is a onion bulb. This is a Gladstone onion, bunching scallion, the Tokyo long white. I love that. I have some Spanish onions that are like this. So just a green onion, just having a scallion is nice. And you know I love me some leeks. So this is the King Richard leek. So I'll probably start these, to be honest with you, early January. It's a native perennial. This is a Coreopsis, Plains Coreopsis. Love Coreopsis. I love giving away Coreopsis or tick seed. It's a really fun one to give away. And Craspedia drumstick flower. I grew this year. That's what I keep in here. I love the way that the Cresspedia looks. It's so cool. And then I'm growing this right now, some white alyssum. This is a sweet alyssum blend. Really good to have, nice flower. And then I got Dondo white ageratum. So you might have seen my ageratum videos where I have the purples. Cape Daisy, this is Zulu Prince. Really cool looking flower, can't wait. Love that. And then I got two different Scabiosa, Calistephus chinensis. And the other one is Scabiosa atropurpurea. So this is Scabiosa Snow Maiden. I love Scabiosa flowers. They're really nice. They're really pretty. They're really nice. And then this one is Fata Morgana. Fata Morgana. That's more of a cream pink flower. And then I love my zinnias and my straw flowers. So I got the Queenie Lime Orange. Zinnias are incredible. They're one of my favorite flowers, for sure. They're so easy to grow. And then this is Zinnia Envy, which is a green one. It's really cool. And then this one, Peppermint Stick. And then straw flower. I love straw flowers. I think they're really cool plants. They grow really tall where we are. I know it says 36 to 40 inches tall, but I swear I get them like sometimes 4 and 5 feet. And then this one is called King Size Silvery Rose. So that's dope. And then last but not least, I got some peppers. Now, just so you guys know, I'm gonna grow all of this year, and I'm gonna still grow a bunch of other stuff I've got here. I love starting from seed. They've got my lemon drop pepper. You guys know how much I love lemon drops. I bought lemon drops from almost every seed manufacturer. I love lemon drops. One of my favorite peppers all time, hands down, incredible pepper. And then what I wanted to do this year, and which these last 3 peppers kind of represent, is I love jalapenos, so I love that 3,000 to 5,000 Scoville rating. And then lemon drops and Sugar Rush Peach, Aji peppers, those are like 30,000 Scoville. And then of course I did 7-pot peppers, which are like 1.8 million, like 4th hottest. And so I really don't have I didn't have a lot that was in the 100 to 500 range. And so I got the habanero. I think they're more in the 200,000. And then I got some ghosties. So really hot, like almost as hot as the 7-pot. So very hot pepper. And then these Scotch bonnet peppers, which I think are incredible. When I do my hot sauces, it's really nice to start with I have my leek hot sauce and then my sweet pepper sauces. And then it kind of goes up the range all the way to 7-pot and higher. And so I think that's really fun. But honestly, I love the drawings on here. Thank you, Botanical Interest, for my bag. Definitely be using that. Really excited to get going with some botanical interest this year. So I'm gonna do a bunch of different seed starting videos and techniques this year, not just in my grow tent. That's my normal way to do it, but really excited. The thing about winter is the time to get excited about seed starting. I highly encourage you to grow plants from seed. I'm also gonna do a winter germination. Probably in a couple weeks, I'm gonna start some native and some perennials in milk jugs and some cold stratification techniques. So check it out, like and subscribe. Here we go. Gardening season 2026. It's coming, people, it's coming.